Most AI channels will tell you about the 10 prompts that will change your life. Well, I'm not that guy. My name is Ali and I cover AI the way tech journalists just won't. The safety failures, the privacy small print nobody reads, and the moments when a billion-dollar company quietly does something it really hopes you won't notice. Spoiler alert, I notice. Every single time. Well, I mean, I do need to sleep, but yeah, I'll eventually get there. This channel has 3 gears. When an AI company messes up, and they do constantly, I investigate it. When a big AI story drops and everyone's spinning it, I cut through the bullshit and tell you what it actually means. And when you just want to know, is this tool safe to use? I've already tested out, so you don't have to. No hype, no sponsored takes, no, this video is brought to you by the exact company I'm supposed to be holding accountable. Yeah, that happens, just not here. Because here's the thing, AI is reshaping everything. How you work, how your kids learn, what companies know about you. That's not a tech story anymore, that's your life. And you deserve someone who's actually paying attention. New videos every week. Subscribe if you think getting this right matters. I'll see you in there.